Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Johnson FX. I'm so glad to have you all here. So, firstly, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel. Please go and subscribe right now. Right, so I'll just be taking you guys through some of my entries and my trade ideas. Normally, I trade only two pairs, that's GD and USDJPY. Right, so now I want to say something. Um I I think I posted this trade idea here before it happened around this area. You can see that um there is a recurrent pattern. If you have checked my videos, there is a recurrent pattern that happens most times when the market is selling or buying, right? So it depends on your strategy, but the kind of pattern I trade, right? The kind of pattern I trade is such like this that it will surely have a kind of inducement. Just a very very simple mechanics of trading, right? So this is when um, the market is bearish, right? Bearish in nature. That is, it creates an high, a high, sorry, and also like an inducement that would um, break structure, right? Something like this, and come the market comes back to tap into the inducement. Same thing applies to when the market is also on the verge of buying, right? It goes like this, might go something like this, then come back, break structure again, then the market comes to take the liquidity or the inducement around the low, or it takes the inducement around the low and pushes to the upside, or takes the inducement and taps into the other block at the extreme area, right? So we'll be seeing something like this, right? And now pushing to the upside, right? So that's just the simple mechanics. It's very very simple, and 3 out of 5 days you see this kind of pattern occurring. 3 out of 5 days. I'm not going to say it's every day, although it happens every day. If you train your eye to look for those kind of pattern, right? So let's see what happened here. You can see GBP We saw that this place has actually broken structure, right? So we serve this side as our inducement. Now when the news came in, tapped into, swept the inducement, the liquidity around the area, and tapped into the other block, and now pushed to the upside. Now another one happened during uh I think during Asia session, right? So there is a sweep around this low. There is a sweep around this low, making this one a strong low, meaning that, or a protected low, meaning that the market might not likely break, might not the market might not likely break this low, right? So we saw that after it pushed to the upside, swept this high. Now the market came back and tapped into the other block around this area, and it's made over, I think it's made over 50 pips, right? It's made over 50 pips. Let's see our stop loss is around this area, right? It's made over 50 pips. Maybe if you are targeting this high, you're targeting this high, right? So that's over 77.5 pips just for 3 hours. That's how simple it can be. Now, we have we we have another trade idea, the one I'm looking forward to. We have another one I'm looking forward to, right? So um I see here that it has actually tapped into the other block around this area, and it swept this liquidity around this area. So what I'm actually looking forward to is, let's go to the lower time frame. Let's go to the lower time frame. Now you can see this place is just like a strong area or point where the market might not likely um, break, right? So reason be that it has tapped into, it has mitigated this other block around this area. So I'm not looking forward to this place as my inducement, this area as my inducement. You can either use this place or this one. I prefer to use this one, and that is where my entry is, right? So just like same thing I told you guys, like when the market is buying, right? You have something like this. Market comes and takes the inducement around this area, taps into the other block, then push to the upside. So it's just like same thing that might likely happen here. So that's for GBP JPY. We have to wait and let's see how the trade goes. If it goes our way, then good. If it goes inverse, the opposite direction or breaks it, then we move again. So the market is just all about probabilities, right? We learn every day. So same thing applies to USD JPY. Same thing applies to USD JPY, right? So what I'm actually looking forward to here is the market taking the inducement. I'm actually taking my trade around the inducement area, right? So I'm looking forward to the trade tapping, coming and sweeping the low, the extreme low, and tapping maybe around this other block around this area, then pushing to the upside, right? So I think that's all for this trade. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like and tell me what you think about this video. Thank you.